Hello friends! In today's video, we will learn how to create a PDF file from a Word file. Keep in mind that the method mentioned in this video works only in MS Office 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019, 2021, or all versions above. If you use old MS Office like MS Office 2003 or 2007, then there is a different way for that. If you want to know, you can talk through the comment. First of all, you will open your Word file. After that, you have to click on the file. After that, click on Save As. After that, you have to select the path where you have to save the file. Like I have selected the desktop here. After that, you give the name of the file. After that, go to Save As Type and select PDF from here. And click on Save. Your file will be saved as a PDF file, which you can share with anyone via WhatsApp, email, or any other medium. Let's check whether the PDF file is created or not. See, this file has now been saved on the desktop as a PDF file. Let's open it and see it opens in this way. Thank you very much to all of you for watching the video.